Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up recurring crypto buys on Coinbase. So this is going to be particularly useful for anyone who wants to start investing into crypto, but doesn't want to have to manually make the purchases every single month. So be sure to stick around. This video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. There's not going to be a lot of steps, everyone. And so in order to get started, we're going to click on this Coinbase app here. And if you haven't signed up for Coinbase just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get $20 once you do sign up. So we're going to click on Coinbase. And then once this page loads, you're going to reach the home page of Coinbase. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to click on this buy and sell button here in the bottom left, and then click on buy. And so here you have an asset to actually select. So we can select USDC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, any of these cryptocurrencies you could actually go ahead and buy. For our example, we're just going to click on Bitcoin. Now, in order to actually go ahead and set up recurring crypto buys on Coinbase, you're going to insert the amount here that says, for our example, we'll just do $20 US. So this indicates that we're going to spend $20 US, and that's going to be converted to the asset that we selected previously. Now, this is the really important step, everyone. On the upper right hand side where it says one-time order, you want to click on that toggle menu and then click on recurring buy. Here, you're going to be able to select your frequency. So we have daily, weekly, 1st and 15th of the month, and then we have monthly. So for our example, we're going to set up monthly, and there you have it. So right now we have 20 USD set up to a monthly purchase paid with our bank, and then we're just going to review the order once more. So on this page here, you're basically getting a confirmation, okay? So you're going to buy $20 of Bitcoin every month instantly. And with that, you're going to see the total, which includes the $1.49 fee. So this right here, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know to actually go ahead and set up recurring crypto buys on Coinbase. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.